Hey there, welcome to Live Hub, your go-to voice AI platform. I'm Echo, your virtual guide, and I'm here to walk you through a quick tutorial to help you get started. Let's begin right at the top. The first screen you see is your dashboard. This is your central hub. From here, you can quickly jump into key areas like bots, SIP connections, teams, and more. Clicking on any tile takes you directly to that service, and you can always return here to navigate somewhere new. It's the perfect starting point. You'll also see active alarms and usage statistics, so you're always up to date on system health and activity. Now, let's move to the left-hand menu, your primary navigation. This menu is divided into key sections, and we'll review each one briefly so you know what's what. Let's start with bot connections. This is where you manage and configure your voice bots. You can integrate with Microsoft Bot Framework, Google Dialogflow, Rasa, Druid, LiveHub very own AI agents, and more, with low to no coding needed. Next is speech services. Use your own credentials to connect to speech-to-text and text-to-speech providers like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, DeepGram, or 11 Labs. You can also define private endpoints and manage certificates securely. LiveHub Speech Services lets you use your own accounts or connect to ASR and TTS providers not included in the default list. Now let's jump into voice channels. Phone numbers. Purchase and manage DIDs directly within LiveHub. You can assign them to bots, configure barge-in, DTMF detection, and set routing rules once purchased. Can't find your country in the list? No problem. Contact us with the DID form listed in the video description or in LiveHub, and we'll process it immediately. SIP connections. This is where you connect existing phone numbers and carriers, contact centers, click-to-call, or PBX systems. Manage everything from SIP credentials to encryption, codecs, and traffic limits. WhatsApp numbers. Configure WhatsApp-enabled numbers to manage chat-based or hybrid voice chat flows, especially useful for customer engagement over messaging. Microsoft Teams. Enable direct routing and connect your Teams users to external calling through your SIP trunk. It's flexible, fully supported, and includes 50 free Teams users during your 1-month trial. Now let's go to the heart of LiveHub, routing. Here, you control how to connect and wire connections between phone numbers, bots, SIP trunks, teams, or agents. The visual interface lets you define clear and effective call flows, making sure every voice journey is seamless. There is also a link on the video description to a routing tutorial with all the details you need. And now, this is where it really gets interesting. AI agents. This is a fresh out-of-the-box dedicated platform within LiveHub, where you build intelligent voice agents and give them the connection, voice, and integration you choose. You can combine bots, speech services, routing logic, and context handling to create advanced IVRs, virtual assistants, and voice-first workflows. We strongly recommend checking out our AI agents tutorial videos linked below this demo to explore all the possibilities. Let's move on to LiveHub Plus and see what kind of power it holds. Real-time voice translation. Break language barriers with real-time translation powered by top AI models. Agents and customers can speak in their own native languages and still understand each other instantly. This is where you take everything you've built, your bots, routing, speech flows, and apply real-time translation on top of it. It's activated directly under any routing rules. We'll leave a link to the full documentation at the bottom of this page so you can see how to set it up in just a few steps. Outbound campaign automation. Set up automatic outbound dialing with retry logic, pacing rules, and full analytics. Perfect for proactive service, reminders, or customer follow-ups. Now let's look at call history. View every inbound and outbound interaction with full logs, transcripts, and call recordings if enabled. Filter by time, call status, or number for easy tracking. Now let's check out the statistics page. This section gives you visual summaries of system activity, call volume, usage patterns, and service performance. It's great for reporting and optimization. And finally, alarms. Stay informed with LiveHub's active alarms and alarm history views. These sections display real-time and past system alerts, including issues like failed connections, bot errors, or configuration mismatches. Use filters to sort alarms by time, type, or severity to quickly identify what needs your attention. Tip: make sure your role has alarm viewing permissions, like monitor or admin, in the IM settings to access this feature and verify that the feature is enabled. Need a hand getting started? Let's quickly talk about the wizard. To make configuration simple, use the built-in wizard. It walks you step by step through connecting a phone number, assigning it to a bot, and setting up routing. You'll also find additional options like time zone settings and cookie preferences. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find some more important tools. Account balance. Live updates help you monitor your usage and credit. Add funds, enable auto recharge, or check your billing details right from here. Account menu. View your username and account ID, switch between accounts, manage user groups, and generate API keys, also known as secret keys, for REST API access. Need help? You're covered with a few options. The Help Center has links to step-by-step articles and technical guides for all major features. You can also reach out to our support team experts on a best efforts basis, directly for assistance with advanced topics like SIP trunking or Microsoft Teams integration. If needed, check out available support plans for online purchase. You will also find our Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, GDPR, and additional security data on this tab. And in the bottom right corner, this is where you'll see additional ways to get help, get updates, tips, and follow up with ongoing communication. Here is what you can do at this window. Search for articles. For example, look up how to get a number and follow the guides. From here, you can go to the articles page and find additional resources. The article will usually provide quick steps, and we will always provide a link to the full tech doc. Live chat. Here, you can start a deep dive chat with our lovely virtual team member and ask something like, "How do I get a number?" You'll get an automatic response based on our tech docs and can connect with a CSM anytime if needed. Just ask for a human. Track updates on your support tickets with email notifications for any changes. That's it for now. You should be all good to explore, connect, and build world-class voice AI journeys. Thanks for choosing Live Hub by AudioCodes, and happy configuring.